And let me just say that as a party, we have absolutely no time for juvenile antics by political amateurs acting at the behest of some bitter ex that has simply refused to move on. We tell you all that we moved on. Move on too. Otherwise, if you don't, that bile will kill you. It will poison you. Move on. Na tukutane kwa debe. On August 8th, 2017. I stand here to confidently say that I am Labour. I am Labour. 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 Labour.
People who are not paid up members of the Labour Party, please give us a break. We know that ODM is sponsoring our former Secretary General, David McCallum. Please, we would like to request that they sponsor him to clinch the Bungoma senatorial seat. ODM, please give Ababu a break. He moved on. Why are you still following him?